In today's video, I will teach you how to set the specific width, height, and DPI in Photopea. Let's get started. First, open Photopea, then click File, then Open to load the image that you want to adjust. Now we're going to resize the image. Start by going to Image, then select Image Size from the top menu. This will open the Image Size dialog box. You will see options to change the width, height, and resolution or DPI of the image. Ensure that the Constraint Proportion option, which is a small chain icon between width and height, is active if you want to maintain the aspect ratio of the image. Now we're going to set the width and height. In the Image Size dialog box, enter the specific width and height that you want. You can use the unit of measurements like pixels, inches, centimeters, and more from the drop-down menu next to the fields. Then make sure the unit matches your requirements, especially if the image is for printing, wherein you have to use inches or centimeters, or for digital use, where you can use pixels. Now we're going to adjust the DPI or resolution. Resolution or DPI determines how many dots per inch will be printed. Standard DPI values are 72 DPI for web images and 300 DPI for print images. Enter your desired DPI value in the resolution field. And when you change the DPI, make sure the resample option is checked. This allows Photopea to add or remove pixels, maintaining the quality of the image as the size changes. An optional step is cropping using canvas size. If you need to crop the image for a specific size, you can use the canvas size option. For this, simply go to Image, then Canvas Size. Then set the units to inches or your preferred unit and enter required dimensions, for example, 9 inches by 3.7 inches. Then press OK to apply the changes. This will crop the canvas to your desired size. And to save the adjusted image, click OK to apply the new settings. Then go to File, then Export As, then choose your preferred file format, for example, JPEG or PNG. Then adjust the export settings such as quality and file size if needed to download your resized image. By following these steps, you can easily set the specific width, height, and DPI for your images in Photopea, ensuring they look great whether displayed on a screen or printed on paper. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.